Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting prerequisites out of the way. Check your LG TV supports screen share or AirPlay and update its firmware. Next, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Use 5 GHz if available for less interference. On the TV, open Settings and enable Screen Share or AirPlay. Then, on your phone, open the casting option in Quick Settings or Control Center and scan for the TV. This starts the discovery process, so your phone can pair with the television. Once the TV appears on your phone, select it and accept any PIN or pairing prompt shown on the television. This secures the connection. Choose whether you want full screen mirroring or just to cast media. Mirroring duplicates your display, while cast sends only video or audio. Make sure to set resolution and orientation preferences in the casting menu and route sound to the TV if it doesn't switch automatically. If using apps, pick the Apps Cast icon to stream directly and preserve quality. To finish, stop casting from your phone or the TV's screen share menu. This cleanly ends the session. If you notice lag, choppy video, or audio delay, make sure both devices are on 5 GHz, lower the streaming resolution, or move the router closer to reduce interference. If the TV never appears, restart your phone, reboot the TV, and power cycle the router. This clears temporary network glitches. If pairing still fails, delete the TV from your phone's saved devices and start the pairing process again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.